Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Microsoft 365 uh, Office. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we are just going to follow this support article that will show us the exact step how to install Office updates. So simply, you will be needing to go to your Office products, and from there you will find or you will go to the file menu, and from there you will be able to go to accounts, and then you can check for updates. And otherwise, if you have like the Office from the Microsoft Store, you will be needing just to go to your profile, and from there you will be needing to go to taskbar in search for the Microsoft Store and click on enter, and then you can choose download and updates. So now let's just go and proceed with the operation. And now let's go to the file menu, and from here I already have like my Office, and I go to account, and from here you can see the updates option. By clicking on updates option, we will find like update now that will check for and will apply some new updates. Or here you can see the update history of this product, or from here you can disable or all the updates. And basically by clicking here, your product will start updating, and you will find this you are up to date. And basically, this is how you can do it from the newest version of Office. Otherwise, you can go to Microsoft Store, and from there, like we can do as they showed us, and you will need just to search for Microsoft Store and then go for the download or for the download apps or the updates, and basically then you will be able to get the updates, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.